Hi, today I'm making a bacon pecan cheese ball. So I'm going to a bridal shower and they wanted an appetizer. So I thought I would make this bacon and nutty cheese ball. It's actually very delicious. So we're going to begin with crisping up three thick slices of bacon. Next, I'm adding 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And then I'm adding a half a teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you can add a little salt and pepper to this recipe to taste, but you have to be careful because you don't want it to be over salted. So if you add it, you just add a very tiny bit. I'm then adding 3 tablespoons of sliced green onions, as well as 2 teaspoons of chives, finely chopped chives. I'm adding that, I mix it together and then add it to the cream cheese. As you can see, I've added pepper to taste. And again, you just want to be careful with how much you add of that. I'm adding a quarter cup of crushed pecans. This is going to go into the cheese mixture with a cup of cheddar cheese. And I'm going to combine all of my ingredients well. I'm going to, make sure that everything is really mixed well and set that aside while I chop my rest of my pecans. And I want those finely chopped. So I'm going to just, break them up a little bit because I'm using this half cup of pecans to after I form the cheese ball. And so basically I'm just putting all the ingredients together and I'm just going to mold this into the classic cheese ball form. And I'm going to then, after I have it completely formed, I'm going to go ahead and roll it in the bacon and the pecans. And once I've completely covered the cheese ball, I'm going to wrap it in saran wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Now, this recipe is best if you do it a day or two ahead because the longer it sits in the refrigerator, the more combined the flavors are, and it tastes better the next day. But that is my bacon pecan cheese ball.